Hi there, and thank you so much for taking your time to actually watch this video. This video is going to be a short review of the CryptoTab browser. I'm not quite sure what you were searching for when you found this video, but this video is all about the CryptoTab browser that you can actually install on your computer. Now, I first come across this because I was searching for different ways to try and earn money online, and I discovered this, and I looked into it and found that it's, first of all, it's a free way of actually earning cryptocurrency. So this is what this video is going to be about. If, like me, you're interested in crypto, Bitcoin, and you want to try and obviously save some for free, then this might be something which will interest you. Now, CryptoTab browser is a browser that you can install on your computer, which you use just like any other browser. The only difference is that it actually pays you a small amount of cryptocurrency whilst your browser is actually on. So it basically produces free Bitcoin. Now, when I started using this, obviously I was trying to earn money. You'll quickly realise that you don't earn very much, obviously, when you're just browsing and using your computer normally. But they like a lot of other companies, they have an affiliate program. Now, what I started doing was, to make some extra money, was to start promoting this free internet browser on the internet. And basically, when people join and download the browser through your referral link, they obviously become part of your network. Now, the good thing about this is obviously the first thing is that it's free. So that straight away attracted me to it, because obviously I tried different things and had no success, or spent money, a little bit of money, and had very little success. But this obviously is completely free, so that's the first thing. Now, what I done was I started sharing my this company. They've got different landing pages, affiliate links, text adverts that you can use, and also banner ads. So I started advertising my links across different free traffic exchanges and using different free methods. And basically, I, in a very short space of time, sponsored about 19 people. Now, with this, it does work. But I want to say early on, in case you're, you might be like me, you might be a bit of an impatient person, you might, don't expect to see massive results in this early on. It does work, and people do join, and they do start using the browser. But it's something which you need to build. Yeah, with me now, I've started promoting my links on free traffic exchanges, and people are coming in and actually joining my network. But it does take time. The other thing about this program, which I thought was really good, is that it actually pays down 10 levels. So if you've been involved in networking or any sort of marketing where you're building teams, you'll know that a 10 level affiliate program, if you're getting paid down 10 levels, that is really good. But you need to understand it's going to take time for that to happen. It doesn't happen overnight. So, this is a quick review of this program. It's an honest review. It does work. People do join it. People do download it, and people do use it. But it takes time to build. Yeah. But if you're looking for something, like a way of earning a bit of extra cash, if you're good at promoting, excuse me, if you're good at promoting, then this is definitely a program worth looking at. I'll leave a link to it below, obviously my affiliate link to it below, And you might obviously have a good look at it, and if it's something that interests you, you can download it, join my team, and obviously start earning money. But with this, you need to first of all realise it's free, so there ain't you haven't got to spend any money. How they make their money, from what I can gather, because I don't know loads about mining, is they basically somehow make use of the processing power of your computer whilst your power is not being used. So watching a video earlier, whilst your video, like my video, my internet, my crypto tab is actually open now. I'm actually earning Bitcoin. If I start using my computer, then apparently you don't earn as much. It depends what you're actually getting your computer to do. Yeah, so it's a bit complicated, but it ain't complicated to do, and it's not complicated to install. And it is good. Like I say, I've already brought in about 20 people, which I think already has made me it's brought in about 65 members total. And I don't know if you can see that, but my earnings so far, it's only $7, but it ain't cost me any money to do. All I've done is use a little bit of time, a little bit of use some free advertising methods, which I talk about on my channel. And I'm going to start promoting this. I'm going to start doing more videos on this. Going to start advertising this on free advertising sites to start building up my referrals. So yeah, it's good. It's one of the few things that I've tried where I've actually seen a positive return. Yeah, I've tried other things, mining and different things, and not seen any real return. And with this, it does work. And I watched a video earlier of a guy. He was doing adverts on YouTube. He was doing using I think it's called a place called Quora. He was writing reviews, and he's getting links back to his affiliate link. And this guy already has got about 500 people on his first level, and you can imagine like his second, third, and it goes down 10 levels. So that's what I like about this program. Yeah, I'm involved in a few other things which pay me, but they only pay small amounts. But it's a time. This is a time thing. Yeah, if you're not impatient, if you've got the patience, and you're good on social media, and you can point people towards your affiliate link, yeah, then this is definitely something to consider, especially when they also pay you in Bitcoin. Yeah, so the price, I think the last time I see what Bitcoin was worth, it was about $40,000. I don't know whether it's gone up or down since then. I've not really checked. But it's obviously it goes up and goes down. But in the future, you've got to consider, any fragments of Bitcoin that you're earning that you're getting today, what these fragments of Bitcoin are going to be worth in the future. Yeah, so that's the other thing. That's the other reason why I think this is good. But anyway, please check out. Please check out the link below. It's definitely something worth looking into. Yeah, it's not like some people say, is it a scam? It's not a scam. It's definitely not a scam, because you can't get scammed if you ain't putting no money in. So when someone who was a friend of mine, I was telling him about it, when he said to me, "Oh, it sounds like a scam," I said to him, "Well, you ain't got to pay no money, so how are you going to lose any money if it's a scam? It's not." So yeah, I just thought I'd add that one, because I know people are sceptical. I myself can be sceptical at times, but with this, you haven't got to spend no money, no bank details required. You literally download the browser, start using the browser, start referring people, getting other people to look at it, and hopefully they start using it, and you will earn and mine Bitcoin through all your referrals. I hope this helps. I hope you found this video to be useful. I'm going to be doing other videos on Crypto Tab, because it's something which I think is a really, really good thing. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of people who haven't got a lot of money, who are looking for a legitimate way to earn a bit of money. And whilst I don't think you can earn a fortune at this overnight, in fact I know you can't, I do know that it does pay, and I do know that I've sat and done the figures. I do know that over time, you know, this could prove to be very fruitful. Yeah. Please like, please subscribe, and I hope you found this short review to be of use. And remember, my affiliate link, my referral link, is below. No, and obviously no cash required. It is a completely free home-based business. Thank you.